Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this penguin. I've done two sizes. The big size, I'm using the 5-ply cotton yarn and 3mm hook. The small one, I used the 4-ply cotton yarn and 2mm hook. The size for the big one is about 14 cm tall. The small one is about 11 cm tall. This video is going to be a very detailed tutorial. I will explain the crochet for the head, the body, the wings, the beak, scarf, and the hat. The safety eye I'm using for the big one is 10 mm. For the small one is 8 mm. I will also write the crochet stitches on the screen, so we can pause and check the stitches during crochet. Let's start. Let's do the head first. We use blue yarn. Do a magic ring. Make a slip knot. Now do 6 single crochet in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the tail to close this ring. Then do a slip stitch to join the first stitch. Always do a slip stitch at the end of each round. To start the second round, do a chain. We need to do a chain at the beginning of each round. Then in round 2, do 2 single crochet in each of the stitch. And wrap this tail in for a few stitches. You can use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Move to the next stitch, do 2 single crochet. Do a slip stitch down to join the first stitch. At the end of round 2, we have 12 stitches. Do a chain to start round 3. In round 3, we will do a single crochet in the slip stitch we just did here, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 here, 2 here, 1, 2, and repeat this pattern for the rest of the stitches. At the end of round 3, we should have 18 stitches. This is end of round 3. Do a chain to start round 4. In round 4, we'll do 1 single crochet here, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in this stitch, move on to the next, 1 single crochet, then the next 2 single crochet. So 1, 1, 2, 4 stitches are one group. Repeat this pattern for the rest of stitches. We have 24 stitches at the end of round 4. Do a chain to start round 5. Do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next, 1 more single crochet in the next stitch, then 2 single crochet in next stitch. So the pattern is 1 stitch, 1 stitch, 1 stitch, 2 stitches. 5 stitch is one group. repeat this pattern for 6 times. At end of round 5, we have 30 stitches. Do a chain to start round 6. In round 6, do a single crochet in the first stitch, one more single crochet in the second stitch, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then another single crochet in next stitch. So the pattern is 1 1 2 1 1. 6 stitches are one group, and repeat this pattern for 6 times. At end of round 6, we have 36 stitches. Do a chain to start round 7. In round 7, we just do 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. Every stitch do 1 single crochet. So in round 7, we have 36 stitches. It's the same as round 6. This is end of round 7. We have 36 stitches. Do a chain to start round 8. In round 8, we will do 1 single crochet in each of the 5 stitches, then followed by 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 1 single crochet in the second stitch. 1 2 3 4 5. Then in the next stitch, do 2 single crochet. 1 2. And repeat this pattern for 6 times. At end of round 8, we have 42 stitches. Do a chain to start round 9. In round 9, we'll just do 1 single crochet in each of the stitch all along this round. At end of round 9, we have 42 stitches. Let's do a chain to start round 10. In round 10, we'll do 16 stitches in blue color, then change to white color. Do 1 single crochet in each of the 16 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, we haven't done the 16 stitch. Now we take the white yarn. Now we have the blue yarn loops, 2 loops on this hook. Take the white yarn, hook the white yarn, pull it out of the 2 loops. Now we've done the 16th blue stitch and the white yarn is on the hook. Then we use the white yarn to continue crochet, insert into the next stitch. Then we wrap in the white yarn and the white tail and the blue yarn for 2 stitches. 1 2. We need to do 3 white stitches. 3. Okay, now we have the 2 white loops of this hook. Then we take the blue yarn, yarn over the blue yarn, pull it out of the 2 loops. We've done the 3 white stitches, and just now we did these 16 blue stitches, then 3 white stitch, then the blue yarn is on this hook. Then we're going to do 4 stitches, 4 blue stitches. So insert into the next stitch, and again we need to wrap in this white yarn for 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 2 loops on this hook. We haven't done the 4th stitch. Now we bring the white yarn, bring this white yarn over, pull out of the 2 loops. Now we've done the 4 blue stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have the white yarn on this hook. Continue to use the white yarn for another 3 stitches. Wrap the blue yarn for 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now we have the 2 white loops on this hook. Then we bring the blue yarn over the blue yarn. Now we've done the 3 white stitches. Then we have the blue yarn on this hook. Then continue to use the blue yarn for the rest of stitches. One, 2, 3. We'll just use the blue yarn for the rest of the 16 stitches. So let's take a look. We have done the first 16 stitches in blue yarn, then change to white yarn for 3 stitches, then another 4 stitches in blue yarn, then 3 stitches in white yarn, then the rest 16 stitches in blue yarn. Make a slip stitch to join the first stitch. Tighten it. Now we can cut this white tail. Just cut the white tail, do not cut the white yarn. This is the end of round 10. At the end of round 10, we should have 42 stitches. Let's continue to do round 11. Do a chain to start round 11. In round 11, first we'll do 15 stitches in blue yarn. 1 single crochet in each of these stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I haven't done the 15th stitch. Now we'll bring the white yarn over. Do not put it too tight. Just along this inner surface, bring it over and yarn over the white yarn. We use the white yarn to do the next 5 stitches. Insert into next stitch. Wrap this blue yarn in. This helps to make the blue yarn stay in place. One, two, three, four, five. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Then we change to blue yarn. Yarn over the blue yarn. 5. Now we've done the 5 stitches for the white. Then we use the blue yarn for the next 2 stitches. One, two. Now we have 2 loops on this hook. Change to white yarn. Yarn over white yarn. 2. We've done 2 stitches for the blue. Then use white yarn for the next 5 stitches. Insert. One, two, three, four, 5. We have 2 loops on this hook. Take the blue yarn, yarn over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we've done the 5 white stitches. Then you will use the blue for the rest of the stitch. Again, wrap in the white yarn for another 2 stitches. This helps to make the yarn stay in place. At end of round 11, we have 42 stitches. Do a chain to start round 12. In round 12, we do 14 stitches in blue. Single crochet in each of the 14 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 2 loops on this hook. Bring the white yarn, yarn over the white yarn. Now use white yarn to do the next 6 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 white loops on this hook. Bring the blue yarn. 6 white stitches, and we have blue yarn on this hook. Use blue yarn to do the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, 2 blue on this hook. Take the white yarn. 2. We've done the 2 blue stitches. We have white yarn on this hook. Use white yarn for the next 6 stitches. Wrap in the blue yarn for another 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 white loops on this hook. change to blue yarn over the blue yarn. Now we've done 6 white stitches. Blue yarn on this hook, insert. We use blue yarn for the rest of the stitches. This is how it looks like for round 12. At the end of round 12, we have 42 stitches. To a chain to start round 13. In round 13, we do 13 stitches in blue first. Just do 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 2 blue loops on this hook. Bring the white yarn. Yarn over the white yarn. And we use white yarn for the next 7 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 white loops on this hook. Take the blue yarn over. We've done 7 stitches for the white, and use the blue to do 2 stitches. 1, 2. 2 blue on this hook. Take the white, yarn over, 2. We have white yarn on this hook. Continue use white to do the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 white on this hook. Bring the blue yarn over, 7. We've done 7 white stitches, and we just use the blue for the rest of stitches. 1, 2, and do slip stitch to join the first stitch. Tighten it. This is the end of round 13. To a chain to start round 14. In round 14, we're going to increase 6 stitches. So do a single crochet in next 5 stitches first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then do a stitch increase to do 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and do 1 more group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Now we have 2 blue yarn on this hook. Bring the white yarn and do a single crochet using the white yarn. Now we have the white yarn on this hook. We're going to do a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 single crochet in next stitch. 1, 2. Then 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. We have 2 white loop on this hook. Bring the blue yarn over. Now we have blue yarn on this hook. Use the blue yarn to do next 2 stitches. 1, 2, change to white yarn. 2. Now use the white yarn for the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now in next stitch, do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Then do 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use the blue yarn over the blue yarn. 4. Now we have blue yarn on this hook. Use the blue yarn for the rest of stitches. Do a stitch increase first. 1, 2. 2 stitches in the same, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Then do 1 single crochet in each of the 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in next stitch, do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Then 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do a slip stitch, join the first stitch. Tighten it. So at the end of round 14, we have 48 stitches. Let's move to the round 15. Round 15. Do a chain to start round 15. Firstly, we do 1 single crochet in each of the 13 stitches using the blue yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have blue loops on this hook. Change to white yarn. Bring the white yarn over and yarn over the white yarn. Now use the white yarn for the next 10 stitches. 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 2 white loops on this hook. Change to blue yarn. 10. Use the blue yarn for the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Change to white yarn. 2. And use the white yarn for the next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 white loops on this hook. Change to blue yarn. Yarn over. 10. Now we've done 10 white stitches and we have blue yarn on this hook. Use blue yarn for the rest of the stitches. 1, 2, If it's too tight, you can cut the yarn. Because we've wrapped in the yarn for 2 stitches, so it will stay in place. So this is end of round 15. We have 48 stitches. We have 2 blue stitches in the middle, and both sides we have 10 white stitches. Let's do a chain to start round 16. In round 16, we will do 12 stitches in blue first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 2 blue loops on this hook. Bring the white, yarn over the white. Now use the white to do the next 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. Wrap the blue in for a few stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now we have 2 white loops on this hook. Yarn over the blue yarn. We've done 24 stitches for the white, and just use the blue for the rest of the stitches. At end of round 16, we have 48 stitches. Let's move to round 17. In 17, we're going to reduce 6 stitches. So do a foundation chain, and first we do 5 stitches in blue. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll do an invisible stitch decrease. Pick the front loop of these 2 stitches. Front loop, yarn over, pull out of the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull out of the next 2 loops. In this way, we combine the 2 stitches into one. Then continue to do the next 5 stitches in blue. 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we change to white yarn. Yarn over the white. 5. We've done 5 blue stitches. Now use the white yarn to do the rest stitches. Do a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. One, 2, 3. Then do an invisible stitch decrease. Pick the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Stitch decrease, and another 3 stitches. 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 stitch, then a stitch decrease and 3 stitches. This is considered as one group, and repeat this pattern for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now stitch decrease and 1, 2, 3. Now one more group. 1, 2, 3. Stitch decrease and 1, 2, 3. We have 2 white loops on this hook. Change to blue yarn. Yarn over the blue. And use blue yarn to do the rest of the stitch. Do 4 stitches first. 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4. Then do a stitch decrease. Do one more group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a stitch decrease. Combine the 2 stitches. 1. Now do a slip stitch, join the first stitch. At end of round 17, we have 42 stitches. Let's continue round 18. Do a chain. We do a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then do a stitch decrease. 1. Then repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3. Do a stitch decrease. Then do one more single crochet. Now have 2 blue loops on this hook. Bring the white yarn over. Now use white yarn to do crochet. Do a single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then do a stitch decrease. 1. Repeat this pattern for 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stitch decrease. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stitch decrease. Now we have 2 loops on this hook. Change to blue yarn. Yarn over the blue yarn. Now have the blue loop yarn on this hook. Do a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1. Do 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a stitch decrease. Then another 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do a slip stitch, join first stitch. At end of round 18, we have 36 stitches. Do a chain to start round 19. We'll do 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do a stitch decrease. Then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. 2 blue loop on this hook. Change to white yarn. Use the white yarn To do the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in next stitch, 1, 2, then do a stitch decrease, another 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and repeat this pattern for 3 times. 1, 2, stitch decrease, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, stitch decrease, 1, 2. We have 2 white loop on this hook. Take the blue yarn over, 2. Now use the blue yarn to do the rest of the stitches. Do a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Do a stitch decrease, then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Then another stitch decrease, slip stitch, join the first stitch. At the end of round 19, we have 30 stitches. Let's finish the last round. Do a chain to start round 20. Now, do a stitch decrease first. Stitch decrease, then a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. One more stitch decrease, single crochet in next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Then change to the white yarn. Hook the white yarn. Do a single crochet then in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then do a stitch decrease. Repeat for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Stitch decrease. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Stitch decrease. Now we have 2 loops on this hook. Change to the blue yarn over blue yarn. Do a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Do a stitch decrease, another 2 stitches. 1, 2. Do a slip stitch, join the first stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. Because we wrap the yarn in for a few stitches, so the yarns will stay in place. Let's do a chain to secure. Do a chain to secure it. Leave a long tail for sewing. and we can start the head.